Hi, today I will show you how to create bitmap effect on the footage. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you. Let's say I have this footage and first I will change the frame per second or FPS. In composition setting, I will change it into 8. And then after that, on the effect, I'll search for posterize, mosaic, and slider effect. On the mosaic, press Alt and then click on the horizontal block stopwatch. And then I will type this com.width and slash. Connect the parent tool into slider effect. Do the same on the vertical ones, but on the expression list, instead of typing width, we type height. Okay, now let's check if it's right. Okay, now the mosaic can change both horizontal and vertical on the slider effect. Now we can adjust the mosaic effect with slider control, and also we can adjust the posterize. And by the way, this is optional, but if you want to make it black and white, just choose thin effect. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!